everybody, I'm Lin from Wulian. Today I will introduce Wulian lighting control system. Please see this. When I click on this picture, what happened? All the lights turn on. And how can I realize this function? I will introduce you later. And besides this function, we can also see this is our lighting control system. You can see all the lights on this, and you can control every light. For example, please see this screen. When I click it, what happened? The light will be weaker, and the data showed it's 21 now. And when I click it again, you will see the light is brighter than just now, and the data is 19.7. And from the light sensitivity, we can become 0 to 100%. Now you can see it's 0%. The light turn off. And you can also see this light. When I click it, the light turn off. Click again, the light turn on. This switch can just control the turn on and the turn off. For our switches, not only you can control by your mobile phone remotely, and you can also control by local. For example, when I click here, you can see the light turn on. And when I click it again, the light turn off. And besides that switch, we also have this wireless touch dimmer switch. And not only you can control by your mobile phone, and you also can control by local. For example, when I click here, you can see the light will turn on, and the date showed 100% on your mobile phone. And when I click here, you can see the percentage is 33 now, and the light will be weaker than before. You can see for the software, you can download from Google Play or Apple Store. After installing, you will see this screen, and when you click it, you will see our working screen. And for the setting up the scenes, first you should press for a long time on the scenes. Then press for a long time on this picture. It sends. Choose a picture and input a name you like. Now we call it light. Then confirm it. Add the device. Then confirm it. Then set up the light. You can adjust the light sensor. Then save. Save it. the same operation. After a device, you can quit. Then click the sense. Find the sense you set up just now, the light. Then click it. After setting, you will see the function I showed you again. When I click it and let this sense working, you will see all the lights turn on, and it will be very convenient for your life. We can do more in the sense. For example, the linkage. This is our door and window sensor. You can install it in the door or your windows. When it opens, it means somebody opened your door or window. And when it closes, it means the door or window is closed. And we can make a linkage between this sensor and your lights. For example, when you are in the home, when you open the door, all the lights is turned on. And when you close the door, the lights turn off. We can do more in the sense, like the linkage. Here is a sense called open door I set up. And now, for example, when I click the light, here is a linkage, and we can select the door and window sensor. And when the door opens, the light turns on, and we can choose the percentage we like. And when the door closes, and the light turns off, save it. And other lights, you can also set the linkage, like I said just now. After setting up the linkage, now let us go to the room and check the effection. When I click it, assume this door sensor installed the door, and when I open it, all the lights turn on, and when I close it, all the lights turn off. Besides the linkage you can set up in the sense, you can also make a time control. See this? Click the timer. You will see there are many days you can choose. You can choose any time you need to let the light on, or you can choose a time to let the light off. Then save it. After installing the software, let me introduce the hardware, our switches. Generally, we have two tabs. One tab is wireless wall switch. It can only control the light turn on and turn off, like this. And the other is dimmer switch. Not only can control the light turn on and turn off, but also can adjust the light sensitivity, like this. For example, This is wireless touch dimmer switch. When you install, you don't need to change anything except your old switch, because all of our switches are made by the international standard. Please see the behind. These are holes for connected wires. Leave line, non-line, earth line, and these are load lines. One light connects one load line. Other devices are based on Zigbee technology, so it can help you realize the remote control by your smartphone anywhere and any place. Besides this, Zigbee technology has two-way communication. For example, when I do an operation in my smartphone, the devices in the house work immediately. It's very easy and convenient to our life. Now let me introduce how to add the device into the whole Zigbee networking. This is WLAN wireless gateway, and it's a core device of the Zigbee networking. Behind it, you will see a set key. Click 4 times. You will see this light flash, and then you can add other devices into the Zigbee networking. And how to set up the wireless gateway? We have another video in your YouTube to introduce. We have another video in YouTube to introduce how to install the wireless gateway. Now, for example, if you want to change all the switches to our wireless wall switch, you don't need to change anything like line or wire. Just need to take off all your old switches and add this device. Now, you just need to click 4 times of this function key, and you will add this switch to our Zigbee networking. It's very easy. For our wireless touch dimmer switch, it is also the same way. After take off your old switches, you just need to click 4 times of the function key. Then add this wireless touch dimmer switch to our Zigbee networking.